So in this video we're gonna create JavaScript for timing functions and objects. So the first one is the digital clock, second one is the dynamic background, third one is change font size, fourth one is the movement of the object, and the fifth one is to insert n number of inputs and to check the condition, like check for the condition for which belongs to which condition. So for the first is the digital clock. So for this we in the body we do the display and the heading as digital clock and span ID as time, style font size 60 pixels and time. So within the script we define the function display as function display to get the time as variable d equals new date, and to extract the hours, minutes and seconds we declare variable h as h to get hour data, variable m to get minutes data and variable s to get seconds data. So we give the condition as if hours is greater than 12, so the time will be in PM, else it will be in AM. So after that we do the write the document dot get element by ID as time dot inner HTML equals time. So finally we call the time display by writing set timeout as display and comma 1000. So 1000 is for the millisecond. So 1000 milliseconds is 1 second. So the second one is the dynamic background. So for dynamic background, within the body we write on load set background color and the style, which is being randomly changed by every 2 seconds. So we made a heading as dynamic background and the color which is changing. So within the script we write function, we create a function as set background color. Then after that we create random color using RGB function as variable red equals math.flow math.random start 2555. Same goes for the blue green color. So for final we create as variable as color equals RGB for red, green, blue, and we display. After that we write the change set. After that we change the set body background color as document.body style.background color equals color, so it will randomly change. So finally we set timeout as set background color as 2000. So every 2 seconds the background color will be changing. The third one is change the font size. So whenever we move the cursor closer to the text it will zoom in, and when we move out it will zoom out. So for that within the body section we made a heading as change font size, and within the script we define function size and create a function as function in size, and we change the set body background color. We change the set background as document.getElement by ID as para1 style equals font size as 28 pixels, and when we move cursor out to the zoom out section, and we define the function decrease size as function dec size to change the font size to smaller size. So whenever the pointer is away from the text it will be in 18 pixels. Whenever we put on the text whenever we put the pointer on the text it will zoom it to 28 pixels. So the next one is the acceleration of the car. So for that within the script we created object as document.getElement by tag name as image. So we get the object by getting the image by tagging the name, the image, and we made the object as relative and left at 0 pixels. So we create a variable n equals 0 and function start. So n plus 1 equals 2. So margin left. So wherever we hit the start button, it will start, and like after start button we press the accelerate button, so it will accelerate, and to every time we want to stop it we have to click the amount of we have to click the number of times we click the start button. So for that we write document.getElementById as start to accelerate, as x equals set timeout as start is 50, and the function to stop it. So we write document get element by id as start in a start to clear timeout as equals null. So for the fifth one, within the body, like we created 4 students, like student register number as 1, 2, 3 and 4, and like we divide as year 1 as less than 2000, student 3, and year 2 as more which is more than 2000. So within the script we created an array of objects like variable and student. So we created 4 students named as student 1, student 2, student 3 and student 4 along with the date of birth. As for the first student, the date of birth is 2004, second is 2007, third is 1991 and the fourth is 2010. So after this created a for loop as variable I equals 0, I is less than student dot length I plus plus. So within this it will check whether the student age is year of birth is greater than 2000. So if it is less than 2000, it will be the student will be sent to the area of less than 2000, and whichever student is age year of birth is greater than 2000, it will be sent to the area of more than 2000. So for that we did here a document.getElement by id as tag in a HTML plus equals student I dot name plus as register number is plus student dot I dot register number, and if student I dot year of birth is less than 2000, so it will be sent to year 1. Else if the student year is greater than 2000, it will be sent to section of more than 2000. So thank you.